Welcome to the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, woodworking with an Appalachian flair.
This is Jerill with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. Today I want to talk to you about a tabletop. I recently had a client request that I build a new tabletop for a very old table that they had. This is the old tabletop. It is a press board with a veneer on it. The veneer was cracked and split in several places and had some bad stains on it. The client requested a solid wood tabletop, so that's what I did here. And for any of you that build fine woodworking, then you know that a tabletop has to meet 3 criteria in order for it to be a good tabletop. It must have a tough, durable finish because a table is exposed to a lot of different elements. So the finish must be durable. Second thing is, the top of the table must be extremely smooth. And the third thing is, it has to be flat. Now, this is true for any style of table. It doesn't matter whether it's a large table, a small table, a drop leaf table, an expandable table with leaves that go in the middle, or a flip top table. It must be flat. You don't want to put something on it and it rock. So I have a test that I do to determine whether the top is smooth and flat, and I'd like to show that to you now. So this is a flip top table. As you can see, it's a nice size. It's a dining room table, modern design, mass-produced back in the middle of the century. So it's nothing really fancy, but it has a special meaning to the client. So let me show you now. This folds out and slides and basically doubles the size of the tabletop. Now, because there is a seam in it, you need to make certain that it's perfectly flat and smooth. And here's the test that I always do to determine that. Simple deck of cards. And what you do, your cards should very easily slide across the table and not get hung up anywhere on anything. And that's how you determine if your tabletop is smooth and flat. This is Jerill Vance with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop reminding you, be proud of your Appalachian heritage.